Act up, you could get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up.
It's your Miami and I can't run my sack up. Tired ass.
Hey everybody, I'm doing this video for a quick win for people who got a job interview. You have some type of job you got to be, or you just want to look cute and simplistic. This is something that you can do very, very fast. Be cute. I just had some curly hair and synthetic. It lasted me a week. It sucked. So I went and got me some cheap bundles. You don't need to get expensive hair for this quick weave. This should last you like a week or two depending on your perspiration. I went and got me 2 bags of version bundle hair. They were cheap. One was like $29 and the other one was like $23, 16-inch and 14-inch natural color. I left out my front hair. As you can see, my braid pattern is I braided down this way to make this flat because I want a side part, which will be left out with my natural hair, and I have the straight backs to the backs. It look a little crusty because I put some Pump It Up spritz on it. Make sure that you get this kind, and it has like a gold peaches tint, not like bubble gum. You gotta have like a gold. You gotta see like that gold tint in it. And we're gonna need some 30-second hair glue. We'll need a stocking cap, and let's get started. Also, one more tip: when you girls have thick hair like I do, or long hair, do not braid your braids together because then it leaves like a big chunk. So if you take it and you just separate them and spritz them down, that will give a flat look. See what I'm saying? A flat look, instead of making a big dookie braid and then trying to do it and then you got like a big dookie braid in the middle. So you don't want to do that. So make sure you do all the braids individually, and then you'll be okay. So we're going to go ahead and spritz this down just a little bit more, because this allows for the weave to be able to come off easily. Instead of pulling your hair when it's solid like this, it won't pull, you know, strand for strand. It'll just go ahead and get off, you know. So yeah, let's do this. So we're going to take our stocking cap. And make sure your hair clean, because dirty hair sucks. And it makes your hairstyle not last long. So take all of those braids one by one and just fold them up. You see them. You see them. Make sure that they don't get on your real hair part. And that way we're flat. This first piece right here, we're gonna go ahead and bring it, and I made it a little bit too long, but it's okay. So we'll just take it and cut it right there. Then you take your emergency piece. I have to slide on it one more time. Take your emergency piece and glue it. We're gonna go back over here because you guys can see a little bit better. You see my hair up? I done flat ironed it into there. I don't know if you can see because that blend is a beast. But yeah, I've already put some of my hair into it and it's been blended in. So I'm trying to let you guys see. yeah, we didn't put it to the edge because we're gonna have us a little cute swoop. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna be cute. So yeah, like I was saying, large sections. Ooh, hot. Got some good flat irons, baby. Okay, we still need another piece for over here, and that's okay. Like I said, we just need one piece. Okay, we can start flat ironing it. See what we do. I can do it in the phone, okay? So y'all can see it. And all we're gonna do is the last step, and that is some hairspray. Hairspray is your friend. Hairspray gets away all of these flyaways from these dead ends that we did not clip. It also makes your hair lay down on this side piece, on this top piece. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna really spray it. Really spray it. Like, get up in there. Okay. And just comb it while it's wet. Comb it how you want it. Shape it. Shape it, honey. Now, like I said, what I am going to do is later on probably for my day, I am gonna flip this front out. I will put some pictures up on the front being out. And yes, honey, we have this delicate.